I'm excited. At the end of this video, not only will you have the tools that you need to start your own business, you'll have multiple different ideas to pull from and a crap load of resources to get you started. So if you want to get into it and if you want to get to the money, then make sure you stick around. Before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel, and once you subscribe, be sure to click that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. And since you've been here this long, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, letting the algorithm know that you mess with me and stuff. If you are serious about starting your own business, then make sure you stay to the very end of this video, because I have something so exciting to share with you that will help you make some money for free on me, okay? If I could start all over again from the very beginning, the first thing that I would pay attention to is the difference between your gross income and your net income. We talked a lot about this and the real tax code on this video, so make sure you head over there to get, you know, some more in-depth information. Your gross income is the money that you make before taxes or expenses are deducted from the income that you make from your business. Your net income is the income that is left after you've paid all of your expenses. The really big problem that most people have is that they're under the impression that they're gonna get this big huge net income when they first start their business, and that is not true. Before you do anything, before you get a product, and a lot of y'all are not gonna wanna hear this, before you get a product, you have to first get customers. You can go out and you can spend all of this money on products and all of these different things, but if you do not have clients to sell them to, you literally waste your money. And most of the time, what people do, they see people on social media and they see like,
ooh, she posted this online and she got this. All I gotta do is get these hairs. All I gotta do is get these bags and stuff, and then I'm gonna make some money.
Well, the reality is, just because you buy hair and just because you buy the bundles and the tags and all of that stuff, or just because you buy the product, does not mean that clients will magically fall up out of the sky. Okay, you get clients in two ways. You're either going to get your clients by wheeling them in through a funnel by presenting no to low risk content, or you're going to use money on different advertisements like Facebook ads and things of that nature. Okay, so that's step number one. If you have not watched my previous videos on how to start your actual brand, then make sure you watch these videos first before you do anything in these videos, because you will be wasting your money. And at the place that we're at right now in the world, you do not have money to waste, so don't do that. Now it is time to get all of those expenses together. The first website that I'm going to tell you about is Wholesale Supplies Plus. Wholesale Supplies Plus is an amazing company, and when you look here, you can clearly see that Wholesale Supplies Plus has so many different products. Now, the thing about Wholesale Supplies Plus is this is a website for people who have already done their homework. These additives are very strong, and if you do not know what you're doing, as a full category of tutorials and videos. So for example, they have all of the ingredients that you would need to make bath bombs, and not only do they have all of the ingredients that you could need to make any type of bath bomb you can think of, they also have multiple educational videos showing you different techniques and different ways to make those. Make sure you check the link in the description box below to get your copy of my vendors list. And the great thing about my vendors list is once you purchase my vendors list for $25, I'm always updating it, and it doesn't matter how much time goes by. Once you pay that $25, anytime it updates for you too, and I'm gonna constantly be adding more things, so get into it. Sticker U is a very good company to use if you're starting off with a product line and you need labels for your bottles. I need you guys to understand that your first impression is everything. So if you got these little janky little labels that can't nobody see, they look all funky, everybody gonna be trying to buy your stuff. Sticker U has labels for any type of product you can possibly think of. This is getting down and dirty in a whole nother way, because everyone isn't into beauty, everybody isn't into fashion and online sales. Some people really like to work with their hands, honey, and there is nothing wrong with that. Once you go to the website, check the link in the description box below. Okay, so I'm gonna say that I'm in Las Vegas because That's what I am. If you have not checked this video out where I do this full set of stiletto nails with baking soda, then go check it out, because I did this full set with baking soda, and yes, I still have all of my nail cleaner. So let's get into this one. When you come across the one that says cleaner, you would just automatically think like, okay, what is that supposed to be? But let's say you're someone and you really love to clean, or you really love to organize things. This job as a cleaner is so amazing because you're literally your own boss. Let's get into it. Be your own boss, set your own rates and hours, and choose your regions and put your skills to work using the TaskRabbit platform. Now, because of the whole situation that we're in, you guys, it's so amazing because they make sure that these jobs can all be no contact. With you just making your money, you're not getting sick. Are you a professional cleaner? And would you like some of the following things? To choose your own working hours and to take days off when you need them, staying in complete and total control of your schedule. To get jobs sent to you that suit your schedule and are convenient for you to commute to, and to make money on the side. You get everything above and much more when you list your services on TaskRabbit. So what you would do, you will go on TaskRabbit and you would create a profile. Now this is where it really counts for you to make sure that you have all of your social media information together. This is where your website needs to come into play. You don't necessarily have to spend a whole bunch of money on a website. Wix has very cheap websites. WordPress is a little bit more expensive if you're just getting started, but Wix has a lot of amazing templates that you can use for as low as like $4.99 a month. You cannot beat that, okay? So you already have your website together, you already have your social media presence together, you've already made your logo. All of these things are things that I've taught you how to do on this video for free, okay? So at this point, you still haven't spent any money. The most you've spent is $4.99 on your website with Wix, okay? And now you go on there, you make your account with TaskRabbit, and once you make your account on TaskRabbit, you want to go ahead and put all of that information in the website that you've created, so you look as legit as possible on paper. And once you set the profile, and it's really attractive because you follow the steps that I've taught you in this video here, and they get sucked in because you stand out from the rest of the competitors. You started your own cleaning business, and this is your business. Same thing that went for somebody that's a cleaner, that went for someone who's a handyman. If you have different skills and expertise where you're able to fix different things, I don't know, that's not my thing, I don't know what the proper words for that is. If you're a man and you know that you're real good at putting stuff together, you a dude and you done lost your job, your wife always got you putting stuff together, your girl always got you putting stuff together, you don't have nobody to put stuff together for, and you miss it. You can go on App Jobs and create a profile, and once you create the profile, you can determine what types of services you want to provide, and you set your prices, your hours of operation, all of that. This is your business. So far, we've went into how to start your own business, whether it's a product line, anything. You can find anything on Wholesale Supplies Plus. You know how to start your own cleaning business, and you know how to start your own business as a handyman. Let's keep going. Keep in mind, these are all different jobs just based in Las Vegas, and if you keep scrolling, there are a whole lot of jobs left. There are a whole lot of jobs in there, but you just have to keep scrolling and see which one fits your level of expertise. If you are an electrician, if you're going for an electrician job, they're going to want you to have some type of certifications. But once you go on there, you guys create the profile on App Jobs. Get your profile on as many of these websites as you possibly can. You will find yourself literally starting your own business. We're searching. Cleaner, local delivery driver, handyman, handywoman, painter / decorator. Now, like I said, everybody not broke, okay? There are a whole lot of people that still are looking for people to decorate their house. So let's say you're somebody who's really always wanted to start your own interior design business. Well, watching these videos here, you've already done the legwork. You already have your brand set up, your website, and all of those different things done. Now you can log on to App Jobs and you can go ahead and list your services. In the description box below, I'll leave a couple of other different platforms that you can go on to start to promote your businesses. let's talk about something. If your friend gets pregnant, right, the first thing you're gonna do is throw her what? A baby shower. If your friend gets married, the first thing you're gonna do is be like, oh girl, I gotta throw you a bridal shower. What do we do when our friends start their own businesses? Not what do we do when our friends make their first like big amount of money. We don't really do anything. Actually, we do the opposite. To be honest, most of the time whenever somebody starts their own business, people are like, are
you sure you should do that? I don't know if you can do that. I tried to do that, but I don't know if I can do that.
And then the person gets discouraged, and most of the time people do not start to support you until after strangers are already supporting you. But what if we change that up? A boss shower. Yes, we do baby showers, we do bridal showers, we do bachelorette parties and bachelor parties. Let's do a boss shower, okay? This is when you become your own boss. When you become your own boss on all of my social media platforms, we are going to have a boss shower. Just click the link in the description box to download my app. Once you download my app, it will immediately take you to my group. I'm gonna call this group Boss Guru. And then the Boss Guru group, say that 3 times fast, the Boss Guru group. This group will be full of entrepreneurs, whether we're new entrepreneurs, seasoned entrepreneurs that feel like they want to give up and they just need an extra push. This is the group for you to join. It is absolutely free. Once a week, I'm going to share some really intensive content that you will see nowhere but in this group. And then once a week we'll pick a couple of people out of the group and all of us will support them and share their business. But you gotta come correct. Once you join this group, we're gonna take our time and build our businesses, getting your website and your logo together. And once you're a part of this group and you have your website and your logo and all parts of your funnel together, everybody in the group is going to support you. So far in this group, we already have 500 members. Let's say nobody else joins this group but you could possibly have 500 plus people all reposting your business information, your website, your Instagram, and all of that stuff. So if you want to join the Boss Guru group and get your next boss shower planned out, then all you have to do is click the link in the description box below. It is so free and I'm so excited about sharing this with you.